So we just passed our rough plumbing inspection, and I wanted to describe a couple of things and show a couple of things that I learned. So this is how I did it. We'll start with the 3-inch clean out. Put it about a foot off of the concrete, and that's so you can snake this main line going across the slab there. Then we have this long thing is the toilet vent, but it's full of water so they can test it. It's got to be 10 feet tall. And this is the 3x4 short turn 90. So it's 4-inch on that one side, so the closet flange goes inside of it when it's all done. So I set that about 1/2 inch above the slab grade. And there's the long turn 90 with the 2-inch vent coming out of it for the toilet. That goes into a 3x3 combi, and I just put some rebar to hold it. I'll probably tie it to the foundation steel when I do that. So this line is for the freestanding tub. It's pretty simple. Everything's 2-inch ABS with long turn 90s, and your sanities, make sure they're vertical rather than horizontal. That's the vent, and that's going to come out on an interior wall there, so just to keep it out of the foundation makes it a little easier. So there's my two copper 1/2-inch copper lines for the tub filler. They go into the tub box, and those are got the sleeve around them, and they're insulated as well. Then I duct taped around them just so they're sealed up as best I can. So then my main line runs downhill 1/4 inch to the foot, or 2%, and this is a 3x2 combi, and this is for the vanity. That'll have a clean out and a T, and then it'll go out to the vent. So that's 2-inch. Everything under the slab's 2-inch for the drains, and 3-inch for the toilets. So again, this is for the shower. Again, that vent comes out on the interior wall, and just long turn 90s everywhere. This goes into a 3x2 Y with a 45, just to get the right angle for that, to keep that line at 2%. And then that's 2%. Then after it runs through the foundation, there's another clean out. That clean out is to snake the rest of the line down to the septic tank, which I'll be tying in later. Right now I just put a rubber cap on the end there after my toilet line comes into it. So what I did was set a couple of the anchor bolts for the hold downs to make sure I didn't have any interference, because those can't be moved. And you could adjust the plumbing if you had to. So same thing, this is for the shower, that's for the vanity, and then same type of arrangement for the toilet over here. And I just put a hose bib on the vent line for there. That way I could backfill the whole system with water to test it. And one thing I did was the caps on these vents, don't put the caps on until after it's full of water. That way all the air gets pushed out of it. Okay, that's about it.